As you can see, this is proof we got the Twitter followers. Now let me show you how we got it for free. If you noticed, at first we had only 19 followers on our Twitter account. Now kindly go and sign into any web browser of your choice. After that, open a new tab and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword Urdu. Scroll down and select the read more below the post. If you noticed, we now have 29 followers on our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.